Hello everyone, this is Derek Smith from Comprehensive Credit Repair, and today I want to talk to you about what do credit repair companies do. When repairing your credit, it's possible to go it alone. You can search through credit reports line by line for incorrect information, and then you can file disputes on your own. It's far less of a headache to hire a credit repair company, though, to do all the legwork for you. Find out why it can be advantageous to hire a credit report company and how legitimate companies go the extra mile to fix your credit in this video. So let's start with looking at how do credit repair companies work. When a credit repair company begins working for you, they immediately pull your credit report from all three credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. During a free consultation, a credit specialist will review your report with you to see if they'd be able to help you. If you have negative information that could be contributing to a bad credit score, then you're a good candidate for credit repair. Then the team reviews your reports in detail to identify potential mistakes and errors. This can take a few days to complete as they look for mistakes in the credit history, duplicate accounts, and expired negative items. If they identify errors on any of your reports, they'll collect any documentation that you have, which will support your dispute. Once they have the documentation, they send it to the three bureaus and work with them to determine if the item or items should be removed from your credit report. The best credit repair companies review all three reports from each of the three bureaus because they might not all contain the same information, and I've seen that often. Each credit reporting agency has its own data furnishers. That's what industry experts call banks, credit unions, savings and loan institutions, mortgage lenders, and credit card issuers. If the company does not review all three reports, errors could be missed. To be clear, there's nothing that credit repair companies do that you can't do on your own. That's a fact. Everything a credit repair company can do for you, you can do for yourself at no cost. However, doing the work on your own can be a lot of work. You also may not have as much success making disputes yourself, which means negative information may remain and continue impacting your score. Hiring a professional credit repair service often increases your chances for success. We're trained in looking for and doing disputes for you. So, can a credit repair company really help you? In a word, yes. These companies employ attorneys, some of them do at least, that are licensed to work in many states or only provide services in one state. Many of them are trained to do disputes. Also, these attorneys understand the nuances of the trade and the law. Their experience makes them more effective when they're disputing negative information on your behalf. These attorneys also apply provisions within federal consumer protection laws to help you improve your credit history. Now, also, when we look at just the credit repair professionals, those who really do this, they have specialized training in how to understand your credit report and how to dispute the items on it. I myself have become a certified credit repair specialist as well as a financial counseling specialist. So I have the skills and the training in order to dispute your credit problems for you. Now, the best credit repair companies will help you do certain things. Number one, they're going to help you understand and evaluate your credit reports, know how your credit scores are determined, identify strategies that will continually boost your credit standing. But let's make one thing clear. Credit repair may or may not improve a bad score. If you have negative information in your credit reports that is inaccurate, there's nothing a credit repair company or you or anybody else is going to be able to do legally to remove it. And legally is very important. So if negative items are correct, you need to rebuild your credit rather than repair your credit. Look, you hire these companies with the idea that they will delete any mistakes on your credit report. And unfortunately, such mistakes can be numerous. A congressionally mandated study found that 1 in 5 consumers had an error on at least one of their 3 credit reports. This guy named Howard Shalansky, who's the director of the Federal Trade Commission's Bureau of Economics, says these are eye-opening numbers for American consumers. The results of this first of its kind study that went out there make it clear that consumers should check their credit reports regularly. If they don't, they're potentially putting their pockets at risk. The study also found that 1 in 4 consumers had errors that could negatively impact their credit score. Let's take a look at legitimate credit repair companies like mine. You may have decided that you'd rather employ a credit repair company instead of taking the free credit repair option and doing all the work by yourself. But you have questions. How can you tell if a business is legitimate or some front for a scam artist? And let me tell you, there's a lot of them out there. Are these services affordable? Well, let's find out. Let's talk about that. There's 5 steps the best credit repair companies won't take. And I say won't take. These are certain things you should be looking for when you're investigating credit repair companies versus scammers. Legitimate companies won't do the following 5 things. They won't ask for payment up front before they start any work or charge you for the initial consultation. They won't request that you don't contact the credit reporting companies directly yourself. You can do that. They advise you to dispute information that's accurate in your credit report. They tell you to provide phony information on your applications for credit or a loan. Don't do that. That's not something you want to do. That's illegal. They forget to review your legal rights when they explain their services. If you recognize these red flags, or if the company promises that it can increase your credit score by 100 points or more, it's a sign that they're running a scam. If you spot a scam, you can report it to your state attorney general or the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Here's a quick fact for you that I have. The Better Business Bureau rarely accredits credit repair companies due to concerns about high instances of fraud in the industry. Only the best get the BBB seal of approval. So let's look at how much do credit repair companies charge. A credit repair company's rate really depends on the services you require or that you request. A comprehensive program may provide services that include such things as 3 bureau credit monitoring, which you're going to need. You need to be able to watch your credit to see the changes that take place. Fraud protection and alerts, credit score monitoring and alerts, credit score simulators and credit coaching so you can see the differences that's going to occur if you do the things that I advise, housing counseling and mortgage lender referral, ID theft insurance, financial coaching and education. For this package of services, you could be paying anywhere from, say, $30 a month to about $150 a month, with a setup fee ranging from $15 to $90. The cheapest credit repair cost occurs when you fix your credit yourself, of course. That option costs about $30, but you do all the time-consuming work for yourself, and sometimes you don't quite understand what it is that you're doing. Now, there's software for guidance on credit repair, and that begins at about $30, but you don't get that much for your money. More comprehensive software packages range anywhere from $199 to $399, and these platforms often set alerts to track dispute progress and sometimes lead you to certain templates that they use. They can even autofill these templates in some cases. Before you sign or buy anything, read the contract and ask questions about the rates and the services that we provide. Offers that sound too good are usually trouble for you. Protect yourself and protect your credit. Getting your credit report and checking it for errors should be on your to-do list all the time. If you don't check your credit report, these errors could stay for years and lower your credit score. This will make getting loans on a credit card with affordable rates almost impossible for you. So now that you know how to spot a legitimate credit repair company from a scammer, don't hesitate any longer. Contact a credit repair company today, and hopefully it'll be me. I'm trying to share information with you, and I'm a legitimate credit repair company. These companies can make the difference between healthy credit history and one plagued with negative information. Some more questions that you might want to ask about credit repair companies are these. Are credit repair companies effective? Well, a legitimate credit repair company removes negative items from your credit report and helps improve your credit standing, making it easier for you to obtain a mortgage, car loans, credit cards, insurance, or anything else you're trying to purchase. Don't trust a company that promises to raise your credit by 100 points or more. No credit repair company can guarantee that a bad score is going to improve. If they do, make sure they also offer a money-back guarantee if your score doesn't change, which I do, by the way. The next question is credit repair legal nationwide? Credit repair is legal in all 50 states. The Fair Credit Reporting Act protects the right of every consumer to ensure the accuracy of the information shown in the credit profile. That doesn't mean that all credit repair companies are legitimate, though. Legitimate companies only charge for credit repair services after such services have already been performed, not before. If a company asks for fees up front or make outrageous promises, the company is most likely a scam. Next question. How long will it take to repair my credit history? Well, let me start by saying this. This is not a fast process. This is not a scam, so this is not a fast fix it in 30 days process. Credit repair is frequently the first step in the process of building a better credit score. The repair process takes approximately 3 to 6 months to complete, but the time it takes to rebuild your credit can take even longer than that, depending on the errors and your past credit history. If you want a pro to help you fix your credit, or if you need financial coaching, visit my comprehensive credit repair website. I will help you raise your score. It's at www.comprehensivecreditrepair.com. I hope this helped you, and I hope this helped you decide whether you want to do it yourself or get a professional like myself to help you. I'll see you in the next video.